Want to build $1 million SaaS business without losing your sanity? Here is a delightfully human, step-by-step guide to launching MVPs and AI apps people actually pay for. And let's just address the elephant in the room. It's Sunday, April 12, 2026. You're sitting there, maybe sipping a ridiculously strong cup of Kenyan a day, coffee in Washington, wondering if you, a freelancer, app builder, or exhausted job seeker, can really build $1 million SaaS business. It sounds like a massive, terrifying goal, right? Mostly because $1 million sounds like something a cartoon villain asks for while petting a white cat. But here is the honest truth. Building a 7-figure software as a service SaaS, a clever minimum viable product, MVP, or a slick AI-powered mobile app is entirely doable. I'm not going to sit here and tell you it's easy. You won't get rich overnight while sleeping on a beach. But people just like you are doing it every single day. They are solving boring, everyday problems and getting paid handsomely for it. This guide is your completely human, jargon-light map to turning those late-night shower ideas into a real, profitable business. No fluff, no impossible promises, just the steps. Phase 1, sniffing out $1 million idea. Every great business starts with a rock-solid idea. But here is the catch. Skipping the idea validation phase is like trying to bake a cake by throwing flour into the oven and hoping for the best. It's going to be a disaster, and you'll be the one cleaning it up. Find a bleeding neck problem. First off, you need to find a problem, not a mild annoyance, but a real urgent problem for a specific group of people. Think of it this way. If someone has a mosquito bite, they might buy some cream if they happen to walk past a pharmacy. If someone has a bleeding neck, they will throw their wallet at you for a bandage right now. You want to sell bandages for bleeding necks. Don't just build an app because you learned a new coding trick and think it looks pretty. Build something that people genuinely need. Find a niche where freelancers or small businesses are wasting hours on stupid, repetitive tasks and figure out how your SaaS or AI agent can fix it. Spy on the neighbors, your competition. Once you have your bleeding neck problem, it's time to see who else is trying to sell bandages. Who are your competitors? What are they doing well? And where are they completely dropping the ball? And read their 1-star reviews. It's a goldmine for product ideas. Your goal isn't to reinvent the wheel. Your goal is to make a wheel that doesn't squeak. This is where your unique value proposition UVP comes in. Maybe your competitor's app looks like it was designed in 1998 and yours is sleek and simple. Maybe theirs costs $500 a month and yours is a cool $50. Or maybe you use an AI agent to do in 3 seconds what takes their software 3 hours. Actually talk to real humans. I know. We are tech people. We like hiding behind our screens. But before you write a single line of code, you have to talk to your potential customers. Ask them what their biggest headaches are. Ask them how much they are currently paying to fix it. If they say nothing, run away, they won't pay you either. This early feedback is the only way to ensure your SaaS $1 million dream isn't just a hallucination. Phase 2. Building your barely usable MVP. MVP stands for minimum viable product. I like to call it the barely usable product. The whole point of an MVP is to build the smallest, ugliest version of your app that still actually solves the problem. Feature hoarding is a real disease. Do not, I repeat, not, try to build everything at once. Adding features to an MVP is like packing for a 2-day weekend trip. You need underwear, a toothbrush, and maybe a change of clothes. You do not need a tuxedo, snorkeling gear, and an espresso machine. For your MVP to million strategy to work, focus strictly on the must-haves. If your app is supposed to help freelancers send invoices, it needs to generate a PDF and email it. It does not need a built-in social network, a crypto wallet, or a custom dark mode theme. Okay, maybe dark mode, we aren't monsters. Picking your tech stack, don't overthink it. Choosing how to build your app, your tech stack, can feel paralyzing. Should you use React, Node.js, Python, Swift? Here is a secret. Your users do not care. They don't care if your backend is held together by Python or duct tape, as long as it works. Pick the tools you already know, or the ones that make building fastest. If you're building cross-platform, React Native is great. If you have no idea how to code, no-code tools are incredibly powerful right now, making it smart with AI agents. It's 2026. AI is no longer a shiny new toy. It's the standard. But an AI agent business doesn't mean you're building the Terminator. Think of AI as a highly caffeinated intern that never sleeps. It learns fast, remembers everything, and saves users hours every week. The problem? Apps that do manual chores feel slow and boring. Users leave when tasks take time or require repetition. Imagine that intern doing the busy work, auto-sorting, answering questions, finding patterns. Suddenly, your app feels smarter and faster. That simple lift is what makes users stick around. When your app saves time, people pay for it instead of abandoning it. In this video, we'll show 3 AI features to add, how to launch without silence, and simple pricing moves that actually work. Short, practical, and no fluff. By the end, you'll have a quick roadmap. Build 3 AI features, launch loudly, and price to profit. Feature 1, auto-categorize. Let AI read inputs, receipts, messages, or uploads, and sort them instantly into the right buckets. Users no longer tag or hunt for items. Tasks that took minutes now happen in one click, reducing friction and increasing trust. Feature 2, smart chatbot that actually helps, not canned replies, but guided actions. Complete a task, fetch a file, or explain a result. A helpful bot cuts support tickets, improves onboarding, and keeps users engaged because they get results fast. Feature 3, instant insights and suggestions. AI spots trends, flags anomalies, and recommends actions the user can take right away. These 3 features, auto-categorize, smart chatbot, instant insights, are the fastest path to tangible value your users will pay for. Stop building features no one notices. Start with the AI features that cut time and increase outcomes. Those sell. Offer a clear premium tier for AI features. People will pay for saved time, reduced headaches, and better results. Use usage-based or seat-based models if value scales with activity. Charge more where AI removes more work. Test pricing with real customers. Small price changes reveal a lot of demand signals. Don't give features away for free. Add friction-free upgrades, in-app prompts, trial-to-paid nudges, and one-click checkout. Make the upgrade obvious and simple. Remember, users pay for outcomes, price for the time you save them, not the hours you spent building the code. Your MVP is live. Now the truth. Building is only half the job. If you don't market, no one knows you exist. Start small and consistent. Post your journey, share wins and struggles, and show how AI removes real pain for users. Launch on Product Hunt and similar platforms. Tell a simple story. You hate doing X. My app does X in one click. Build a landing page that explains your product like you're talking to a 5-year-old. Clear problem, simple solution, obvious CTA. Use short demo videos and quick testimonials. Show AI doing the work, not vague promises. Concrete demos convert faster. Measure what matters: activation, retention, and upgrade rate. If people use AI features and upgrade, you're winning. Quick roadmap: 1. Add auto-categorize. 2. Add a smart chatbot. 3. Ship instant insights. Small scope, big impact. Launch plan: build a simple landing page, post your story, and launch on relevant platforms. Don't be shy, share real results. Pricing quick wins. Start with a meaningful free tier, charge for AI features. Experiment with usage and seat pricing, and track upgrades. Don't underprice. If your AI saves users time or reduces mistakes, price to reflect that value. Test and iterate quickly. Final checklist: build 3 AI features, prepare your launch assets, set clear pricing, and measure activation to drive growth. Ready to stop winking in the dark? Build the AI features, launch loudly, and price for the value you deliver. Launch today. Still, here are answers to frequently asked questions you might find useful. Do I need to be a coding genius to build a SaaS business? Not at all. While knowing how to code helps, no-code and low-code tools are insanely good nowadays. Plus, you can always hire freelance developers to build the heavy lifting. While you focus on the business and marketing side, how much money do I need to launch an MVP? Less than you think. If you build it yourself using cloud services and basic tools, you can launch a functional MVP for a few $100s, mostly covering server costs and a domain name. Is the SaaS market too crowded in 2026? It's crowded, but there's always room for a product that solves a specific problem better, faster, or cheaper. The trick is to niche down. Don't build a generic to-do list app. Build a to-do list app specifically for freelance dog groomers. Should I put AI into my app just for the marketing hype? Please don't. Users see right through fake AI buzzwords. Only use AI agents if they actually save the user time, automate a boring task, or provide insights they couldn't get otherwise. Ready to stop dreaming and start building? Grab a notebook, find that bleeding neck problem, and start sketching out your MVP today. And hey, if you found this guide helpful, share it with that one friend who has been about to launch an app for the last 3 years. We all know one. If this is useful to you, kindly give us a like, share it to your friends, and subscribe so you don't miss similar videos. Which part did you find useful or want us to elaborate more on?